everyone, we are now here in Bali. Yes, it is quite indeed called Bali, but yeah, this is nothing to do with Bali, Indonesia. This has its own origin name. I think it's from the old Greek word for prince, but I also say that it could come from the Turkish word for honey, due to the honey plantation here. And the main reason we're here today is for yet another scuba dive. Although this one, I'm kind of hopeful that it's going to be full of life, because this is where Stelios went one time for discover scuba diving, and he has so much pictures of octopus and everything here. So I'm pretty hopeful that we will see at least octopus, because I've always wanted to see that. And the dive center is called Hippocamus Bali Dive Center. Okay, so I have to bring my things in these bags. That's no problem. Let's go to the boat. Alright, this should be the spot. Let's see what we will see here. Cross some finger for octopus, alright? Another aquatic life that like crabs and everything.
Because as it is protected, always boats were coming here.
Yeah. So it's very calm. Karabastas?
Yeah.
Karabastas means boat station?
Station, because boats were coming here always from old years to bring things, to take things, and also to repair boats. That's why boat station, because they stop here to repair.
Okay. Also forgot to mention there's a bunch of moray eels that are very friendly to humans, sort of. So maybe we could even get a little bit closer. Most of the fish are supposedly used to humans, and that's one thing that seems to be very good with this size spot. And already big fish over here. Yeah, you're right, mate. The water is quite a bit warm in here. Yeah? Although still colder than Philippines, of course. Baby, look. Hello. Yeah, it's quite clear that the fish is very used to humans here. So that's pretty cool. Dive is done, and this is the worst dive ever. I got bitten by one fish. That's scary. To be honest, this might have been one of the most interesting dives I've done, because you not only have very tame or friendly fish that are used to humans, but you also have some history. You had a lot of pots from and anchors even from maybe hundreds and maybe even thousands of years ago. So that's one really interesting aspect of this dive here, and why I really liked it. Now I ascended with around 20 bars left. It's still fine though, the other guy here, bonjour, he doesn't speak much English. He also went up with around 20 bars. But May, how much did you ascend with?
90.
90. She doesn't breathe, basically. Oh, even May when she was feeding, looks like yeah, this is fish spa. They're eating that skin.
Because I did this.
Yeah, you should do that. Is it decoration?
The amphoraes. When we found the first, there was more. Also amphoras and all these things, it was more, but people take them.
Take them, yeah. So
That's
it's just a few.
I hide.
You hide,
And on beginning we thought, oh, maybe it's necklace or something, or maybe money, or we did not know. And then from archaeologists, we knew what they are. Here you can see loom weights.
Loom weights.
Yeah, and you can see they are quite old.
Oh, Minoan? Linear A.
Yes.
Wow, that's really old. It's from the Minoan. Wow.
And they use to keep these lines straight.
It's like a
And this line they pass like that and like that to I don't know how to explain in French. I know better, but the weights are down here to keep it straight.
Yeah.
And then they pass the other line like this to
make clothes.
to make stocking, to make clothes. Yes.
What is even more cooler is that it's much older than expected, and it's 2,000, 3,000 years old. Yes, 3,000 or no, 3,500.
This is from wreck. This it looks like something maybe to attach a rope. And then when I want to leave it down there near the other potteries, I watch again better, and then I saw that this is not just one thing, but it is a dolphin. The tail here.
Yeah.
Here you can
Snout.
see the
No.
the tails and nose and eyes, and you can see it's a dolphin.
Yeah.
And I thought, okay, if I let it there, for sure somebody going to take it. So I have it here to show. Most of amphoras there are Roman period.
Roman period.
Yeah, they finish like this under, and there are some others they are flat under. These they are newer.
Yes.
And somewhere I turn part of big one, and I show you inside was a color yellow or something. This is Minoan period.
Mino. Oh.
Yes, that's a paint that they used to paint inside for the. They use that paint in Minoan period inside to that the liquid does not go out.
Leakage.
Wine or oil or yes.
Okay, that's super interesting to find out that some of these pots is from the Minoan period. That's 3,600, at least 3,600 years ago. More than that. That's actually super insane. That's a big piece of history you have there. It's unbelievable. But yeah, apparently you can see even turtles here, and we didn't see any octopus unfortunately, but there's a high chance. And yeah, to be honest, this has to be one of the most interesting dives I've ever done, also for me as well. Okay, so this is Stelios' friend, Alex. And one very cool thing is that in parle français. Parle français, yeah. I tried. I'm not so good. Yeah, so if you're French, they can communicate with you very easily. Thank you very much for this very awesome dive site here. I'm really happy that we went here.
Thank you very much.
And we will surely come back and see maybe turtle and octopus and more anchors.
Why not?
Okay, bye bye.
Thank you.
Oh, bye bye. Yes, yes.
Yes, thank you very much.
And of course, Angelos, who was the guide. Very cool guy. So So I quite thought that this was going to turn into a very short video because, well, I just find the name very interesting. But yeah, definitely one of the most interesting that I've ever done. So come check out Bali here if you really want to see some cool dive site with a lot of history, but also a lot of friendly fish. Oh yeah, I forgot to also mention Bali itself. It also looks like a very nice place to just stay at. I mean, it's very rustic, cozy here, and it looks like a nice spot to also go to beaching. So if you like the video, give it a like and also subscribe to my channel if you're new. And please also follow me on Instagram. I'll try to upload pictures there whenever possible. And until then, see you in the next adventure. Bye bye.